Hi, my name's Ben from ONGC Systems. I'm going to run through how to make your own how-to video using screen recordings on your computer and PowerPoint and Office Mix. These can be used to help train your staff or someone else on how to do a process. Ultimately, getting it out of your hands and becoming more efficient on how you do things. Alright, so there's going to need to be a couple of things that you have done prior to recording the screen recording components. First thing is going to be you need to generate or create a intro or outro template for your videos if that's something that you want. So I've created one here, so I've just opened a new one. Now a little tip with this, so these first couple of slides can be run through automatically without you having to click them like you do a normal PowerPoint presentation, is you want to go into the transitions, choose the transition you like. The morph one's really cool, it just automates whatever it thinks is fine, which is fantastic. And you want to make sure that the advanced slide is after. So if we move down to the next slide, this will advance after 1 second. The next one will advance after 3 seconds, this one after 4 seconds, and so on. And then this slide here is going to be the one we're going to record our videos on. The other thing is going to be with the animations. So one way, if you open the animation pane, you can see how they're all laid out. Now the first one can be on click. That's fine because on click just means as soon as it's moved into this slide. The next one you want it with previous or after previous, and then that way, and then you've got duration on speed and delays on when it's going to start, and that way it will automate and go through without clicks. So if we just play this slide, it's got the fade ins, the automation, I haven't clicked, and then it's moved into the next slide as well. So I haven't clicked on any buttons or mouse to get it to slide automatically. Right, once we've set up your intros and outros, saved it as a template so you can use it whenever you like and have all your branding all over it. You want to go into your, I guess this is the video slide now, and you want to use Office Mix to be able to record a screen recording. Now if you don't have Mix in your version of PowerPoint, either 2013 or 2016, you need to download it. So if you open up a web browser, go to mix.office.com, you'll be able to download it and install it into your PowerPoint, and it will record the screen recordings and a few other amazing features, so you can check them all out here. So coming back into our presentation that's now got it, if we go screen recording, you can choose the area in which you want to screen record. Now this will look a little bit different from the first time that you do it. You'll get this little pop-up here with a record button, and you select the area that you want to record and whether you want to record audio or the pointer. The reason why mine's a little bit different now is that I'm doing a recording inside a recording, which is possible. So when you hit record, you'll be given a key command on how to stop the recording, which is Windows button Shift and Q. So you hit record, and this is starting to record now. So we're doing a quick little record, going to scroll down, and then we finish it. And as you can see, the video has now been added into your PowerPoint presentation. So it's here. You can see that it's behind or sitting in front of my little titles. So we can always do the send backwards formatting. So it sits in there behind the titles and things that you created. This is essentially like anything else that you do in PowerPoint other than it's a video. Alright, so the video will play and finish automatically like the other slides. There's a couple of little things that you need to do with the animations. So select the item, which is the video, and you want it to play. Okay, so get rid of this trigger, you just sort of slide it up to after, and now you also want this to play with previous. So this means everything will happen at the start. Okay, once this is played, it won't automatically, it'll stop, but it won't stop and move to the next pane or the next slide automatically. So we need to add an animation, and this time it's going to be stop. And this will be after the play animation. So instead of it being on click, you want after previous. So this will now go, if we preview the slide, you'll see the fade out of the title, and then it'll record the video, and you can see it stop and automatically go into the next slide. So once you've created that, you now need to export it into video format so you can share it. So if we go to File, if you got audio on this like I have, you can optimize the compatibility, which is pretty quick. And then you want to export it, create a video. You want the presentation quality to be the highest quality. And then you also want to use the recording timings and narration. Don't worry about the time spent on each slide. Then you click on Create Video, and it'll go to the location where you want to save it and what file type. I suggest using the MPEG-4 as it's compatible with YouTube, Vimeo, and most of those streaming services, and it means that you can embed it in your website and that sort of stuff. I won't save it now because it just takes some time to export it. So once it's exported to the file location that you want, it's quite easy then just to open it to check it out. So let's see if we've got one here. Let me find one that I've done recently. I believe I did it on the desktop. So you can see the MP4 file. You double click, it'll play it normally like it does in your media player. And as you can see, it will scroll through into the video and outro. So I hope I've made it a little bit easier so you can design your own how-to videos or training videos using screen recordings from your computer. If you have any further questions, as per our next slide, please feel free to contact us at sales@ongc.com.au or give us a call on 0755 94 0099. Thanks and have a great day.